everyone. So today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about microneedling at home, and I wanted to share with you a regimen that you could do yourself at home. So I washed my face, and what's next? I need to select what serums I want to microneedle into my skin. So for me, I have dark circles, fine lines and wrinkles, and I have pigmentation that was left from breakouts, so post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So today I'm going to combine two serums. The first one is called Phyto Plus by SkinCeuticals. It is one of my favorites because it's high concentration of kojic acid. I absolutely love this serum. So the kojic acid is going to help brighten any skin pigmentation. Now the second one is my Collagen Essence Serum from Faith Cosmetics. This is pure collagen, you guys. This just came out of the refrigerator. It is pure collagen, so I want to make sure that I keep it as fresh as possible. So I'm going to combine those two, and I'm going to put a generous amount on my skin, and then I'm going to start microneedling. So we're going to start by applying the Phyto Plus serum. Yeah, there we go. All right. So I'm going to apply Phyto Plus, and I'm going to apply a lot. But I'm not going to work it into the skin. I'm just going to apply it. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to apply my collagen. Apply a generous amount of my collagen as well. You want to make sure that your skin feels saturated and extremely hydrated. You want the serum to sit at the surface. Like, see right now, you can see the green. So, I have some redness here that I want to help tackle. All right, so now I'm going to grab my MTS roller. These are 0.5 millimeter depth needles, and I'm going to start at the forehead. Now, I'm not applying any pressure whatsoever. I'm just letting the needles do their thing. And I'm gliding the roller. I'm not digging the needles into my skin. I've seen a lot of people do that and they end up looking like they went to war with their cat. So make sure you're not one of those people. Now you could also do diagonal if you wanted to. For all of us that are having Botox withdrawals, this is the perfect at-home regimen that you could do right now. So I'm gonna smile, tackle those crow's feet. Be careful when you're working the eye area. You can definitely get this close, but you don't want to dig into the eye accidentally. So now I'm going to work horizontal. There we go. And then I want to do vertical. Now you can see my skin is getting a little bit pink. That's the reaction I want. If you guys end up having like crazy bleeding, that means you're going way too aggressive on yourself, and that is not the point of needling at home. There we go. I'm just doing a couple of passes, and again, smile. The microchannels are open, or you can also do a rejuvenating mask. Now, this is one of my faves. This is called the Alpha Mask by EMK. Love it. So this is a combination of peptides and bioplacenta. So I'm just gonna put on, I'm going to apply a thick amount, and I'm gonna leave it on for 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna work it into the skin. Now this is the perfect mask to help brighten my skin tone and texture, but it's also going to help moisturize and hydrate my skin. So this is the perfect post-microneedling mask. You just want to apply a generous amount to the entire face. It feels so good. It feels hydrating and soothing. It also has retinol in it, so it does have a little kick. But all in all, it's just hydrating, you guys. So the Alpha Mask by EMK uses bioplacenta and Ovulift to help tighten and tone the skin. So I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes. You can always pick whatever mask you like, but the Alpha Mask is my favorite when I microneedle. and you can do this about once a week or once every 10 to 15 days. Microneedling at home is a great way to help produce collagen and elastin, but most importantly, it's the best way to get the most out of your at-home serums. Thanks for watching, guys.